Ms. Spike?
Thank you. I understand that I was listed in your application. Why wasn't I listed in this log?
As indicated in the log that I sent you as a very rough draft, and I did indicate that there were more community contacts that were not listed in that rough draft, but in the official application you are listed. You had asked for any other logs that we had, and you received the rough draft back office points of contact that we made in the community. I can tell you I've been up at least weekly, met with a lot of you, reached out to every single one of you to meet and hear feedback. Any responses you've asked, I've responded. And parents, ultimately, those 75 parents that have signed letters of intent, they want a high-quality choice for their child. Why can they not decide for their children?
Yeah, I heard you say that. It seems like, though, there are some things that are kind of cut off in this log, and they're a little bit different. Who made this log? Did you make this log?
Excuse me?
Did you make this log?
Members of our team added to it. We had a Google Doc. Again,
Can you name who added to this Google Doc?
For HR purposes, no.
Okay.
A member of our team, various members of our team added to that.
So I see that it has like possible partnership with Muse, and I have the letter from the Muse that says that they did not discuss a possible partnership and that they refute this documentation. So I'm just really confused about that, why things would be listed here, and that maybe someone in your team doesn't have accurate information, or you're trying to give inaccurate information.
Yes, I apologize if anything seems inaccurate. I will stand behind. You asked for a raw documentation of our community engagement. That's what you received.
I don't think I said
A
raw.
back office indication, and members of our team did have communication with the Knoxville News, and the key word there is possible collaboration, just like we want to have collaboration with any Knox County organization.
So why didn't you reach out to the Bottom?
The Bottom is actually a bookstore in East Knoxville that we have. We have been by there. We've heard all about it from members of our advisory board. Our proposed principal is excited to.
Did you reach out to them and talk to them?
No, I did not.
Do you have their support?
No, I do not.
Do you know what kind of work they do in the community?
I do. I know my understanding is they have an excellent shop that engages with the community. They're very aware of the community. And if approved, our proposed leadership team, including myself, will be there.
Do you know what kind of workshops they put on?
No, I do not, but would be excited to go and learn more about it.
That's something I wish that you had done already. And I'm really curious about what you think about how this aligns with our strategic plan.
Sure, and feedback well taken, and I will say, if approved, it's going to require us to be in the community even more because, again, ultimately, parents have to decide.
I asked about the strategic plan.
The strategic plan, one of the big pieces is the 75% of college-going students. That gap is roughly around 400 kids, and so our college-going plan with our young men, if you look at the college-going rates of men.
Do you know what our strategic plan is?
Well, can we let him finish answering that?
He's not answering my question.
Point of order,
Well,
Ms. Spike has already
he's
attacked
not-
a child, and
hold
now
on.
she's attacking
But
others.
he's not finished his sentence. He's not, let him
Okay.
finish his sentence,
Go for it.
and then you can, yes, Mr. Scott.
Yes, so the college preparatory, advancing kids, giving no limits to people, for young people, for parents, for their education that prepares them to be the citizens tomorrow. The overlapping of the strategic plan, our college-based, our AP classes, our ACT classes, when parents decide if they choose to send their child just like Chattanooga Prep, we're going to prepare them. Hamilton County Schools will tell you, and there's letters in the application from Hamilton County where we are a tool in the toolbox for the strategic plans to give children no limits when it comes to their education. And if approved, our leadership team is prepared to sit down with the superintendent and the administration, learn more about the strategic plan and how we can be a tool in that toolbox to help support young people. Because ultimately, again, our students are still Knox County students. Their test scores are your test scores. So we, just like we're doing at Chattanooga Prep, we want to excel them and ensure that they're the leaders of tomorrow.
Mm-hmm. So I know that you've been doing this work for over a year because you started hiring in January of last year, and I'm really surprised that you couldn't tell me what our strategic plan is. I think that's a problem.
I think I'm not going to get into an argument or a debate with you, but I can say that we're very aware of the achievement and building future career-ready graduates. That Dr. Reiswick, what I heard at the college-going forums I've been hearing from parents of how math, science, social studies, reading scores need to accelerate, and we want to be a part of that. I think we can all agree that the strategic plan of all of our public education entities is send kids to college, prepare them for careers, and prepare them to be future-ready through academics, and that's what we're prepared to do. That's what we're doing in Chattanooga.
That's it.